Hey guys, I wanted to give you three steps, three actions you can take to get control of your lawn. March is that month where we wake up one morning and the lawns are just overrun with weeds. We don't know what happened, and it seems we've lost control and that there's no hope, but there is. If you do these three things, and you need to do these before the end of the month, that's real important, and I'll tell you why. The first thing is get out there and mow. If you've got weeds coming up, you need to mow them down. Mowing them down helps suppress them. It also helps your grass come in faster if you mow that top layer of thatch off, the dead grass off the top of your lawn. Get that mowed down and your grass is going to come in faster. And a thick, healthy, full lawn is a very good weed suppressant, so you want to help speed up that process. The next thing you want to do is go out and get a post-emergent herbicide and get something geared towards broadleaf weeds, something like Trimec or 3-Way. Those are the best things we use for broadleaf weed control. Why not get grassy weeds? That's because grassy weeds, honestly, they're harder to control. The products are more expensive to control them. And the ones you're seeing right now are actually cool season grassy weeds. And as the temperatures rise, they're going to go away on their own. So get a broadleaf weed control and start spot spraying the broadleaf weeds that you're seeing coming up right now. The next thing you do is the most important. If you don't do this one, then you're just going to be wasting your time. Get out there before the end of the month and get a pre-emergent put down on your lawn. It has to be done before the end of the month because we're racing soil temperatures. Soil temperatures right now are 64 degrees. A lot of weed seeds have not germinated yet, and we can still kill them with a pre-emergent herbicide, and that will prevent them from coming up later in the spring and into the summer months. And once the soil temperatures reach 75 degrees or more, then all those seeds are going to have already germinated, and it's too late. You're going to be battling weeds the rest of the year. So those are the three things that you need to do. They're all important, but most important of all, get that pre-emergent down before the end of the month. Let us know if you have questions. We'll help you out any way we can. Fill out the contact information. We can get you an estimate in no time at all. Thanks.